Today we want to look at how we can actually link our IPC to the MT4. I'm talking of this app, MT4 app. You'll have to download this from the Play Store. Okay, it is very, very important, or the Apple Store, depending on the type of phone you are using. Yes. So basically, let me try and explain to you how this works. The MT4 is a brokerage platform used by many brokers in the foreign exchange trade. Yes, and IPC is one of the users, and therefore you'd have to link your IPC account to this MT4 account so that you can trade with this very platform in a successful manner. So after you have downloaded this, you see the figures moving, you see, showing the direction of trade. And then the next one deals with the various rise and fall of the various currencies. Okay, yes. Then the next one shows your equity, your balance, and then your margin or your profit. And then the next one also shows how much you have been able to make in a trade for a particular day. So you'd have to sign up to this very platform. And to sign up, this is how it is done. You click on the top left buttons, the three lines there, you click on it. Then after you have done that, you will see manage account. You click on the manage account like I have done, and then you see the plus sign up here. I mean this one. Yes, after you click on the plus, then this page would open. You will see open a demo account and then log into an existing account. You click on the log into existing account, and as I have said, there are a lot of brokers on this very platform, so you would have to find your broker. So you have to type in Intelligence Prime. Intelligence Prime. Yes, Intelligence. You see that the other ones are popping up. Intelligence. So you look through to see Intelligence. We have Intelligence Prime Demo. We are not looking for that one. We are looking for Intelligence Prime Live. Yes. So you click on Intelligence Prime Live. And then it will ask you to log in and then put in a password. Yes. This one, you have to go into your email to go and pick them. The moment you register for the IPC account, it sends these ones into your email. So you go inside, then you look through the various mails you have received. The one with MT4 as topic, that is what you choose. MT4 application approved. So here you will see this. Basically, that these are the information you will need to help you up. So you'd have to log in with these details. This one is your login ID and then your master password. This one. You will have to enter this one as your login ID and then this one as your master password. You enter those ones here and there, and then you sign in. And the moment you do that, a page would open where you will see your name. You see your name on top of the whole thing. Then that means you are successful. Till I come your way with another video, all I say is thank you very much for watching. Try and subscribe to this channel.